Today I'm gonna explain about the principle of the transformer works and the construction of it. A transformer is a device which transforms electrical power in one circuit into electrical power of the same frequency in the circuit. This works on the principle of mutual induction between two circuits linked by a common magnetic flux. This transformation of voltage is only possible with the alternating current but not with the direct construction. The transformer is constructed with two coils named as primary coil and the secondary coil. The primary coil generates a magnetic field around it, and the secondary coil converts the magnetic field into the current flow. Before knowing it, we have to know the electromagnetism in a wire. As the current increases, magnetic field around it grows. If we take the two wires with the same current, the current doubles and the magnetic field also develops around it. Electromagnetism in a coil. Loop where around the magnetic field strength increases as the loop passes through the same points many times. Electromagnetism in a transformer core. If we take a transformer core, we can find the current coming towards you and going away from you points by the Fleming's left hand rule, and these are represented by dot and cross points. There are some induced magnetic field around them, and the resultant magnetic field surrounds the coil, and this is wrapped in an iron loop, and the iron loop can permeate the magnetic field. As a result, can form induced magnetic current. Let us know about when a magnet is brought near an atom, the atoms tend to move. As fast you move the bar magnet, the electrons tend to move faster. Transformer operation. In the primary coil, when the primary voltage is changing, the magnetic field also changes with it rapidly. But when the voltage stays same, magnetic field around it also stays. This is due to the same voltage in the primary and the secondary circuits. Remember, a voltage is only induced in the secondary circuit when the magnetic field is changing. As you can see, when the primary voltage is changing, the magnetic field also is changing in the primary side. Similarly, in the secondary coil, we can observe that there is no voltage induced when the magnetic field stays same in the primary coil. This represent that the voltage is same in both the coils. Therefore, no current is induced. If we can see the graph, it represents the voltage with respect to the time in both the primary and the secondary coil. Transformer formula. The transformer formula is given by the voltage in the secondary circuit by voltage in the primary circuit equal to number of turns in the secondary by number of turns in the primary. If we take the number of turns in the primary 10 and the secondary 10, it is equal to 1. Therefore, voltage in the secondary circuit equal to the voltage in the primary circuit. But for example, let us take that the number of turns in the primary are 10 and the 5 in the secondary. Therefore, 5 by 10 equal to 0.5. Therefore, voltage in the secondary equal to 0.5 in the voltage in the primary circuit. And the voltage in the secondary circuit is lesser than the primary, then it is known as the step down transformer, and the current is known as step up current. But when the voltage in the secondary circuit is greater than the voltage in the primary circuit, then it is known as step up transformer. Thank you.